Hi, I'm Scott Young with the Don Young Company. We're back here to look at how we do quality control inspections randomly throughout the day. This is the department where we actually, the final completion table, where the glass, the frames, and the screens come to meet in one area. This is the area where all this stuff gets put together by the final completion worker. It's our last chance to operate the window, to see how the glass fits, how the screen fits. After he finishes with the window, he'll put it off to the side and he'll actually check every window for proper function. Let me go ahead and walk you through how we check the windows. And the first thing we do is look at the frame material. The frame, how it's welded, the cleanliness of the frame. We don't want it to have any scratch, debris, or excess sealant squeezing out the glass in the frame area. The next step would actually look at the glass. We look at the glass for imperfections like scratches, debris, dirt, any kind of weird optical things that would create an issue on the job site. We take time to look at the glazing bead to make sure it's in there correctly, that it's cut properly, that it's not binding up, that it might actually create a stress crack later on down the road. And the most important thing is how the window functions. We want the homeowner to be able to function the window properly. We check for the vertically operating ease of it. We check for the tilting function of the window. So we'll actually tilt out so you can actually clean it. And we also want the homeowner to be able to take out the screens in case they ever need to replace the screen or re-screen it. So it's no accident that we have a reputation for high quality on our vinyl windows and our aluminum windows because we randomly come out here throughout the day and check it. Not only myself, we have two other team members that randomly check the windows, and we actually check the windows right here where the guy works. This is the primary reason we're able to achieve such consistent high quality day in and day out with our windows. Thanks for stopping by, guys.